Hey, this is Mark. On this video I'm going to show you how to reset YNAB budget. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So we want to be on the main screen on the budget, top left on the three dots, and then you want to do settings and privacy. And basically from there you want to click on make a fresh start. So sorry if I did this faster. So here, make a fresh start. Then starting fresh will let you start budgeting from today without having to set a brand new budget. A copy of this budget will be archived in case you're not happy with the changes. So here's everything that you will see in your fresh start. All of your accounts, linked accounts remain linked in the fresh start. Today's balance for linked accounts, unlinked accounts will start with a zero balance for you to update with today's balance. Today's transactions in linked accounts, scheduled and categories, and this will be archived. You just basically click on continue, add a new budget name, let's say whatever you want to name it, in my case stays 2, make a fresh start, click on the button, wait a few moments, and as you can see everything is refreshed and we are starting over. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.